Dre, eat the taho.
See you, darling. Ngay. See you, darling, in 2 weeks. See you, Philippines. See you in 2 weeks. Bye. Bye, darling.
Have fun.
Why you feel like
Be
jelly?
good. Be good.
Why is that?
Yeah. We need to get coffee. No, it's breakfast over, I think. So we just had breakfast. Burger King. And Dre is the Burger King. Show me your hat, Dre. Where are you going?
To Philippines.
And you're gonna see who?
Papa.
Papa. Right there, G2. Oh, Dre got a neck pillow. And a chips.
Some chips.
Okay, let's go. Show it to ate. Okay, we're now boarding. Dre. Okay, we're finally seated. Si Dre by the window siya and Aisley. Aisley, may katabi ka? Wala ka katabi pa? Wala ka pa katabi? Baka wala. Oh, lucky you. Yay! Excited, baby?
Yeah. Peanut butter is so good.
Eating your chips. We're about to take off. Eating chicken caldereta.
Caldereta.
Lunchtime. Pero pa dessert, Kit Kat.
Mama, look, they can just replace it with this. See?
Ray is watching movie. Another meal before mag-land sa Manila. Dre still sleeping. Finally landed in Manila. It's good to be back in Manila. But Dre, it's your first time here in Manila. Say hi, Philippines! Dito na kami sa Philippines. Aloha! Papa, baby. Say hi to Papa. Where's Papa? Hello, Papa. Hi, Papa.
Hey!
Oh, say hi, Papa. Padaan mo sa dali.
Ayo.
May tao po sa likod. Kita dyan, bababa. Okay. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Oh, say hi to Papa. Oh. Surprise! Aisley's here. Bakit? Oh. Hey, what's this? What's this? What's that? Papa? Papa daw, Papa. Go over there. In-expect na lang ako sa mga. Hindi yan.
Gulat ako.
Tubig ka ba? Na-graduate ka na ako. Very good. Wow, nag-gash ka. Talaga sa Okay, first morning in the Philippines. Where are you, Dre? What?
The cat is meowing when I get too close.
Oh, there's a cat. Let's eat. Heisley's house. So how do you like staying in the Philippines?
Good.
It's good, but nagpapaypay ka, ya?
I'm not used to it.
Tinan mo, it's only like 6:30 in the morning. Tinan mo naman si Dre. Parang parang nag-jogging. Nabili ng Oya. Diba? Say hi to darling, to Lawrence Paul. Naiway na hanap ko ng inang Oya. Oh. Nasaan ka mo si Lawrence? Tita Jenjen's feeding you pancake? Huh? That's your favorite, right? Wow. Nasa kalumpit. Kalumpit. Oh, inang Oya in the house. She's wearing her nice dress. Dre, you go play with Aiden.
Aiden, come play with me. I want to play Keepy Uppy. Let's play Keepy Uppy.
Dre made a big mess, Aiden.
Aiden, let's play Keepy Uppy.
Lunchtime na. Sarap ng ulam. Tapos may boppies. Sila Ate B. Oh. And then magkamuka. Si Ate Kelly and si Aisley. Finally, nag-meet na in person.
After 9 years.
After 9 years ba? No, 7 years. 7 years.
Hindi naman siyang vacation.
Pero, ha? Kasama na 3 disaster, oh. The 3 disaster.
Aiden.
Baste!
Say hi, Kyle.
Who's that? Ay, baka mamamaril. That's your tito. Oh. Hindi kasi namit eh.
Hindi makita si Ice. Ano tayo dun?
Oh. Yan yung nag-alaga sa'yo. Laki-laki na sa'yo ngayon. Nakakatuwa naman, meron na ditong like supermarket across the house. So, dyan kami. Tapos, ito lang yung O-Save. Supermarket siya. Check natin kung anong meron sa loob. Morning! What do you want, baby?
I want.
That one? Oh, iba. Lagot kayo. Masasama kayo. Ah. So, may mga hot dogs dito. Kikiam. Oh. Yan. Oh, nice.
Masaya dito.
Ha?
I have a pimple patch on.
A what?
I have a pimple patch on your nose.
Because I have a pimple. So, how do you like shopping in O-Save?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good? And then what are you gonna get next?
I don't know. Ice cream.
Ice cream? Okay. What flavor? Chocolate? Okay. Uy, anong sinisipat-sipat mo dyan?
Yung almusal.
Ah, ano almusalin mo?
Isang piraso lang, dalawa.
Hotdog! Sawa ka na sa hotdog?
55 lang yata. Wala naman, hindi naman chicken nuggets.
Dre! Ay, shoot! Oh, you got a lot, Dre. Are you done? Watch out. What you got, Dre? Salat. That's a lot of coins, Aisley. Okay, are you ready to count?
No.
Para saan yan?
Auntie, you're gonna touch that.
No, mommy, that's more than.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's more than one.
That's more than how much.
Can you help Ate to count? Or that's a lot of coins?
I can't put my hair behind my.
Cannot, just like that. More down.
Good up natin.
Are you guys ready to start counting? Oh my goodness, that's a lot of coins. Dami. Inantay ni Papa yan, 7 years. You have to use what? Are you gonna help them count? No.
No, I'm not, because I just want to watch how good they can count.
Daming barya.
Come on, barata yun.
Magkano kaya ang aabutin?
Gaya mo muna yung mga malalaki.
Ate needs help counting all these points.
Yep, that's very short.
Let's go, baby.
Papa?
Para bilang na namin ang totals. Ang kinalabasan ay 5,500. Ito na si Dre sa pinapapunta ni Lawrence sa Bugoks.
Na-video mo yun?
Hindi.
Oh, hindi.
Ngayon pa lang. So, naghahanap si Lawrence ng bugok. Pakita mo yung bugok. Bugok! Dre, bugok ka? Can you not touch that? Hey. I have to stop. Don't touch it. Aiden! Aiden! Bugok ka din? Ha? Bugok ka din? Kuha ka ng bugok. Ikaw, Jay, bugok?
Smile! Aiden, ayoko na pag dinag-smile.
Singer is yours. Where are you?
Walang load si Jen ang nakaraan. Radyo yan.
Jay, where are you? Okay. First time ni Dre magpunta sa SM. SM! Yeah. Aha. Ang daming Stitch. Starbucks si Dre at si Aiden. Aiden, ano sa'yo? Pandesal? Pandesal kay Aiden. Aiden, yan ang drink mo?
Mom, you spilled my water.
I know.
Target.
Where's Aiden? Aiden!
He's just right there holding his bear.
That's too small daw. Dre, what you got? Si Mema. Mema. Si Dre kumakain pa rin ng Jollibee sa Pilipinas. Tignan mo yung chicken nila. Chicken! So tiny, yeah, baby, the chicken.
Yeah.
Ready for dinner. Si Iceland. Yung tay-tay ka lang, pinag-compute ka pa. Alphamart pa more. Tambayan. Ashley, share with Dre. Nasa bukid kami, kakain ng lugaw sa bukid.
Again.
Kain na tayo ng lugaw.
Mana?
With itlog.
Chicken? Is it chicken?
Stara chicken, baby.
But I want chicken.
Maulan sa Pinas. After kumain ni Dre ng lugaw, pancake naman, oh. You like your pancake? Yeah. Oh, ningnangan pala. Pansay, ningnangan.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome po.
Hello. Look at that, baby. There's a fish. Right there. And a crab.
Oh my god, is that a nice crab?
Puntahan natin si Ina. Si Inang Balat.
Nilakihan lang. Nilakihan lang pala.
Ano kaya kinakain ni Roxette? Roxette, kumakain ka french fries?
Price lang siya. Hindi, nasubukan ko siya dito.
Eh si Yana, ano kinakain ni Yana? Chicken nuggets and float. Si Denver. Spaghetti.
Good? Ayun pa. Smile. And cheese. Dre, smile. Bilis magsala.
Lahat graduate. Sana all graduate. Very good.
Wow, nagkasya. Talaga sa
Jay, where are you eating lunch?
I don't know.
What is this? Nanay Imba. Nandito kami sa Palimbang. Egg rice. Wow, isaw-isaw naman. Suka. Papasukin naman natin yung SNR. Kasama si RV Gel.
Ay, mga kasama na ako sa vlog.
Oo. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, Ohana.
Ohana. From Philippines. Oh. Ano si Sian? Ayun. Vlogag. Sa SNR. Ito ang ang Costco ng Pilipinas. Ang mag-ina ito. Ayun, anak niya yung inaanak niya ang biik. Asan yung anak mong biik? Ayun o. Itong dalawa na to, kahit hanggang dito, nag-aaway o. Nag-aaway ba kayo? Hindi? Hindi po. Anong binili mo, Aiden?
Uy, papayaran mo.
Wow, pabayaran mo kay Nongnong. Nongnong. Bayaran mo to, please. Si Dre, ano naman ang kay Dre? Nothing. Pringles lang. Pringles lang yung kay Dre dyan, ha? What are you gonna eat? Pizza? Enjoy. Eat it.
Nice.
Smells nice, baby. Ready to eat? Okay, Dre is getting a Jollibee again today. Wait, Jay, look. Jollibee ulit?
Yeah.
Isa pala, sexy driver ko. Punta naman kami ng SM Baliwag ni Betcha. Betcha pa rin siya hanggang ngayon.
Siyempre.
Nag-house tour kami pero hindi pa pwede pakita yung bahay niya kasi ano pa Pag ito, hindi pa tapos.
Pagtapos na.
Video ko lang ha. Oh my God. Finally, nakapag-bonding kami for how many years? After how many years ba? 8 years, yeah?
2018.
Yeah, 2018. So,
7 years.
yeah, it's so good na makita siya ulit. Diba? Ang galing. Ang galing ni Lord.
Susunod din naman sa US.
Yes! Yes! Kaya kailangan kunin mo na yung mo. Parang B1?
B1B.
B1, B2. Ito ang village ni,
Betchay.
ni Betchay.
Asa mo may anak ni Arlene bukas?
Ito tour lang tayo ni Bet sa kanilang swimming pool area. Oh, nag-enjoy yung CR. Oh, wow, may shower, tsaka yung CR. Yan. Ay, ang lawak ng swimming pool.
Ay, si Kai.
Ay, nagbabasketball na siya, no? Ang lawak ng swimming pool. Itong pool na to is really good for the kids.
Wala?
Nice, ha? Try me, no? Thank you, Mok. Sa lilibre yan. Wow. Cooking ng ina nyo. Busy si Betcha sa pagluluto ng kanyang specialty.
Yeah.
Specialty daw niya yan eh. Alimango. Alimango yan, ya? Oh, alimango. Ito, shrimp. Saka isda. Ito pinapanood ni Aisley. Ed Nonek. Saglit lang, nakatatlong menu na siya, oh. Galing magluto. Si Noy may assistant. Siya ang sous chef. Ang last menu ni Beth, salmon. Oh, nice. Napakarami mo nang naluto. Kainan na. Brunch na to, brunch. Thank you for cooking all this food. Ito ang chef. Si Boy Soda. Ay ko, patay. Nadapa ako. Wala siyang swimming clothes. So, uy, go get it. Hurry.
Okay lang.
Put it on the side. Katie, swimming na. Samahan mo si Dre. Ikaw, Kai. Mag-swimming ka din. Yay! Bika laro si Dre.
Kaya dito muna sa bababaw. Sige, ano mo muna?
At, naglalangoy na. Hey, are you happy?
I got water in my nose. Look at it.
Totoo. Oh. Are you a crab? You're acting like a crab.
Mr. Krabs.
Are you the Mr. Crab? Jay, tawag ka ni Kyle, oh. Ano kaya yun? Swim. No hearing, baby. Ang magninang, magbabanding sa makeup. Makeup. Sige, balikan ko kayo dyan, ha? Lahat. Ano ba yan? Alin? Ang binili mo? Si Ninang. Merry Christmas, Ninang. Advance Christmas. Oo. Mamaya pa. Kapag kakain yan. And now, sleep tonight. I-stroll ako ni Keke. Kasakay niya ako sa e-bike. Yabang yan. E-bike.
I don't know.
E-bike pa mo.
Bluey. I bring my Bluey, Mommy. I hope I don't drop it.
Yabang ni Keke, kini-stroll niya ako ngayon, no? E-bike. Aray ko, e-bike yan.
Ay, ate.
We're riding the e-bike.
The e-bike is like this.
Yeah, this is the e-bike.
It looks like a car mixed with a bike.
Yeah, is it fun? Ngayon naman, prop. Milk tea naman ang ano ni Keke. Ililibre kay Aisley. Okay, so we got the boba. It tastes so good. You love it, baby?
Yes.
Ano mo naman? Meron pa yung wiper.
Oh, wait. May wiper pa yung kanyang e-bike.
Is that
Swiping, no? Swiping.
beep beep?
Beep, beep.
Siyempre, una muna kami.
Find the horn again.
Yabang ni Keke, around the island kami, oh. Eh, din, saan ka sasakay? Here I come, baby. Mahabantay. Eh, din, mag-dive ka na, dive. Jump, jump. Hi, sir. Are you taking me back to Hawaii?
Yes.
Punta na ka, huy. Patado.
ganito kay ice cream. Ito maganda rin sa ice cream.
Thank you, Inday. Nachos. French fries na siya. Sa SM Baliwag naman tayo. With Inday. Si Rosette. Rosette, where are you? Here at SM. Dito kami magla-lunch. Breakfast and lunch natin. Yan na. Si Kuya Allen. Roxette. Susulitan ni Roxette. Soup. Rice. Candy naman after, oh. Cavities.
Papapasta mo yung katabi.
Uwi na. Let's go. Alin? Bagsak yan. Tita Jenjen made a spaghetti for you, baby. And then chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Hi, Eden. Ano flavor na sipon mo?
Wala sa sipon. Ang DNA niya.
Balat.
Today is with Tita Jenjen today. Where are you going? Huh? I don't know. Where are you guys going? Ito turo niyan. Sino maraming pera? Tita Jenjen, oo. Nabigat ang bag eh. Are you ready to go shopping? Okay, go. Jay, where are you going? This way. You and Tita Jenjen, oh, go shopping. Oh. Let's go. Jay, your cart is full.
We're shopping today.
Shopping today? Yes, sir. What? That's it? Nice sa kamay. Crispy pata. Ang sinigenge. Where are you going today? Huh? Uy, where are you going? Ay. Going.
Is that moss?
Go this side, follow me.
Mommy, the grass
Here. Over here, this one. Marietta.
Oh my gosh, it's been raining last night.
Oh, be careful.
Which one is it?
Go ask her. Ina, why your picture crack? Selfie with Ina.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Say bye, Ina.
Let's go to the bus.
No.
Oh, what else you gonna tell her?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, bye. Bless daw siya sa'yo. But ang tanong niya, paano? Okay, just pretend that you're gonna do the... Oh, bless. Bless. Okay, te. Bye-bye. Papagatas ang ice cream. Makapuno.
Nagdadrive si Mommy.
I know. Driving sa puno.
Dre, are you excited? Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you going, Dre? Sarap naman ng lunch. Munggo. Fish. Oh. Aiden, you eating?
Yeah.
Where's Trey? Do you like munggo daw?
Yes.
Say yes. Yes, yes, Ina.
Yes.
Trey is going where?
To get my hair cut.
Okay. How do you like that one?
I don't like it when it's so quiet.
What about this one?
Good. Worth it. Totally worth it.
Baby, that's Daddy's barber. Only in the Philippines. Where is Dre and the Bugokski? Aiden?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you? You're hiding.
Hey! Hey!
Ang bilis yan.
Nandiyan si ano?
Sino?
E-bike again.
E-bike again. E-bike ride.
That's not
Walang iya ka. Nakakita ng kalaro, oh. Oh, dito pala si Keke at si Kikay, oh, ang dating tambayan.
Hoy!
Okay, magko-copy kami for the last time. Yeah, baby. Parke pa more.
Cellphone pa more.
Cellphone pa more. Fishball.
Dalawa kayong chicken.
Okay, Tita Prese, o, Donya.
Wala.
Magpa-dinner si Tita Prese. Busy yarn. Next. Saan? Where? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Baste. Baste, hug na si ano, si Dre. Hug. Hug. Hug, Dre, hug. Oh, you did? Mga 0.5, girls.
Jay!
Kasama ba si Miles? Parang din na bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Yes!
Password. Say bye to Papa.
Bye, Papa.
Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Papa.
Be good boy always.
Okay.
Okay? Bye-bye. See you when? Few more years. Bye. Hug one more time. Bye, Ina.
Bye.
Okay, bye, Ina. Oh, yeah. Okay, Ashley, say bye to Ina.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bless, did you bless? Bye, mga iyakin.
Baka doon, papahangarin ko pa yun. Hintayin ko pa tumulo.
And Kyla.
Naku, mga dumayo pa kayo dito para manira. Ayan si Allen. Say bye to Ama. Going back to Hawaii. Uwi na si Dre. Back to school. At si Ama. The lonely boy. Lonely boy.
First to occupy your assigned seats for the duration of the flight.
Mommy, why is there no sound on the TV?
You have to wait.
See, like that.
Wow. Finally here. Kasama. Ayan na. Welcome to Hawaii. Let's go. Dre, you're back. Dre, you're back. Yep, come back, Daddy. Hi, darling. I miss you. Ayan na si Ama. Welcome to Hawaii. Ito ang ating Uber driver, si Bulox. Kasi Ama. Unang dating sa Hawaii, Tesla experience agad.